In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Bitbucket password. This process is straightforward, but it's essential to follow each step to ensure your account remains secure. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Bitbucket website. From here, you'll need to log into your account using your current credentials. If you're already logged in, that's great. You can skip this step and proceed immediately. Once you're logged in, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your avatar or profile icon displayed there. Click on this icon, which will provide you with a drop-down menu. From the options presented, select the Personal Bitbucket Settings. This will lead you to a page where you can manage various settings for your Bitbucket account. Next, navigate to the Atlassian account link. Clicking on this will redirect you to your broader Atlassian account settings. Atlassian is the umbrella service that hosts Bitbucket, so changes to your password will be made here. Within your Atlassian account, look for the Security section, which is the hub for managing your account's safety and privacy settings. This area covers a range of security options, but today we are focusing on changing your password, so locate the section marked Change Your Password. At this point, you'll be required to enter your current password. Enter it carefully. Once that's done, it's time to create your new password. Make sure your new password is strong and something you'll remember. Ideally, it should be a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure it's secure. As you type, some platforms indicate the strength of your password, so take note of that if provided. After entering your new password, you'll be asked to confirm it by typing it again. Finalizing these changes requires you to save them. So, look for the Save Changes button and click it. Doing this will update your password, and you'll receive a confirmation that the change has been successful. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Bitbucket password. It's always a good practice to periodically update your passwords to keep your account secure. Additionally, consider using a password manager if you have many accounts to manage or if you want to store complex passwords without having to memorize them. If you ever encounter issues during this process, check to ensure your current password was entered correctly or reach out to Bitbucket support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to learn more useful tips just like this one.